If you had a medical emergency right now in Panama, what would you do? Do you call 911? Do you go to a public hospital or a private one? And how much would it cost? As a nurse and expat living in Panama, I'm going to walk you through exactly how emergency care works so you're prepared for it before you even need it. If that's something you want to hear, stay tuned because that is next. So, first, Panama does have emergency services, but the numbers are different from the US. The main emergency number is 911. Yes, the same number is used in the United States. You can also call soon 911 for medical emergency and ambulance services. You dial 103 for police and 104 for the fire department. In Panama City, response times are generally good, especially in the major areas. However, in more rural locations, response times may be slower. My advice as a nurse and expat: if you're in a serious situation and transportation is available, many people choose to go directly to a private hospital. There are two emergency systems in Panama: public hospitals, known as CSS or Ministry of Health. They offer lower cost or free if you qualify, but wait times can be long. Facilities vary by location. Private hospitals. This is what most expats use. Private hospitals in Panama City are modern and well equipped. Some of the top ones include Punta Pacifica, Patilla, and Hospital Nacional. The biggest difference: in private hospitals, you will usually need to show insurance or pay a deposit before non-life threatening treatment begins. For true life threatening emergencies, care is provided first, but payment arrangements will follow. So here's the big one: costs. One of the biggest surprises for expats is the cost. And honestly, it's often much lower than the US. A typical private emergency cost, ER visits range from $50 to $100. IV fluids or medications, an additional $50 to $200. Imaging like x rays or CT scans varies, but usually a fraction of US pricing. If you have international or local insurance, you may pay up front and get reimbursed, or the hospital may bill your insurer directly. My recommendation: always keep your insurance card and passport with you. Ambulance service is available through Zoom 911, and public ambulance services are generally free. However, some expats choose private insurance or private ambulance services for faster or specialized transport, especially in major cities. But here's the reality: in Panama City, traffic can be extremely heavy, and sometimes getting to the hospital yourself or by taxi or Uber may actually be faster in a non critical situation. So, as a nurse, here's what I recommend: every expat to have ready: know where your nearest private hospital is, keep your insurance information accessible at all times, carry a copy of your passport or your ID, have a list of your medications and medical conditions handy, save emergency numbers in your phone. All these preparations reduces stress and helps you get faster care when it matters the most. The good news is that emergency care in Panama, especially in private hospitals, is of high quality, accessible, and much more affordable than many people expect. But like anywhere, the key is knowing the system before you need it. If you're planning to move to Panama already living here, I share real healthcare insights from a nurse perspective to help you stay prepared and confident abroad. Subscribe to Life Evolve with Michelle, and I'll see you in the next video. Quick note, this is a medical disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and is not to take the place of your medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider regarding your personal medical needs. Take care.